Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find cosine b over 12 and tan 7b over 12 from b over 2 or from b over 3 and b over 4. So for this one, we know that cosine b over 12, that is about b over 3 minus b over 4. So in this one, we have the formula in here. So 8, that is about b over 3. B, that is about b over 4. So after you got this one, we can put the value of cosine b over 3, cosine b over 4, sine b over 3, sine b over 4. So this one, we have 1 over 2. This one, we have the square root of number 2 over number 2. This one, that is about the square root of number 3 over number 2. This one, that is about the square root of number 2 over number 2. So we calculate and we have the square root of number 6 plus the square root of number 2 over number 4, and this is the answer. Now let's go to this one. This one, that is about tan of b over 3 plus b over 4. So this one, we have the formula. So we can apply this one, go in here. So this one, we have the square root of number 3. This one, we have number 1. This one, we have the square root of number 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.